Hello? Hello, am I audible to you? Someone please confirm with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's topic is general proficiency in seminar. I am Ayan sir, and we have a new faculty with us from Datta sir, from through whose profile we are talking. Right. So this general proficiency in seminar, this topic is new for this board, this JUT board. The SQME board is just not present. And if you follow the syllabus, I hope you have all of you have got the syllabus of the 5th semester. You must have, if you have followed the syllabus properly, you must have seen that there is no mention of the syllabus or the topics for this general proficiency seminar topic, subject. Right. Now this gives us a problem and gives us a liberty or freedom in a certain aspect. The problem is that we don't actually know what is the precise thing that we have to discuss. That is, since we don't have the syllabus, we don't know what actually we have to address, and what we actually have to read or proceed through while we'll be going through this subject. But the since we don't have any mentioned syllabus, and through the name that we have learned general proficiency, it gives us enough liberty and enough freedom to learn about the applications of engineering, or what you have to learn in life to develop. It may be, let's say you are learning the topic, the technical topics right now. After the completion of your BTech, you'll be going for interviews. You need enough communication skills, number one. Number two, there are certain companies, there are certain government exams, mostly all of the government exams, not certain, and various companies which conduct a aptitude exam for as their first round, right? In maybe we can conduct those aptitude classes in general proficiency class, spoken English class. Maybe we can revise the technical topics. It gives us enough liberty, enough space, so that we can vary our options and try all of those things, right? So there is no fixed topic. The topics will be mentioned, the topics will be sorted out by me and Soham sir, and we shall tell you about these things, what we are going to conduct, what are our plans. Maybe you also, we will get suggestions from you, since I have taken your classes. I know all of you. So I'd like to give the opportunity to all of you, that what you think will that as an engineer you need to, proceed and learn other than technical stuffs. All of you have done training. I think your training is over, right? The industrial training, the vocational training that you are going through. Is the training over? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, since your training is over, then you are, to a certain extent, you are exposed to the industrial scenario, to the applications, to the larger scenario. In the college or in the practical cases, we see a very, minor applications. The kits are small, the panels are very small. Some of you visited and saw the panels; they are very small. Some of you asked me that in real life, in the industry where you went, the systems are very large. Why is it so? We can discuss those topics. Am I clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you have, do any of you have any idea about this general proficiency or seminar? If you have any idea or any input? Or if you want to say anything other than those what I have said. I have said maybe spoken English, or learning various non-tech topics, doing aptitudes, maybe solving previous year questions also from various exams, maybe GATE or ES or JEE. Yeah, the subjects we have already covered. We can do that too for our revision. Okay. Sneha? Sneha. Okay, now I'll hand this meeting over to Shoham sir. He will continue from here. Shoham sir, please.
Hello. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today basically we will do the introduction class. This subject I will focus more on your English proficiency. So today I plan that you will introduce yourself one by one. Okay. So please start, Anima Kumar. Please introduce yourself. Anima Kumari,
Yes, sir.
please
Good morning,
introduce.
sir.
Yes.
Myself, Anima Kumari from Electrical Branch, and I am from Loddaga.
Okay. Please tell about your hobbies.
My hobbies is drawing and painting.
Okay. Have you achieved any award in that?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, Anshu Bhengra. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, myself is Anshu Dhingra. I am from Dhanbad. My hobbies are singing and playing basketball.
Okay. Next, Aarti Ashima.
Morning, sir. My name is Arti Asima Khaka from the Department of Electrical 4th SEM, and I'm from Ranchi. And my hobbies are singing and listening music.
Okay, fine. Ayush Kumar.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ayush Kumar. I'm from Dhanbad, and my hobbies is playing cricket.
Okay. Okay. Good. So many of you are from Dhanbad, right? So I'm also from Dhanbad, Hirapur. Okay. Then, next is Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar, please introduce yourself. Hello, Deepak Kumar. Hello. Okay, class, please keep in mind that after calling your names, I will not take attendance in this class, but after calling your names, I will wait for 10 seconds or so. If you don't respond, you will be marked absent. Okay. Next is Mohammed Shadan Akhtar. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Shadan Akhtar and I am from Dhanbad. My hobbies are playing cricket and helping the poor.
Okay, very good. Very noble hobby. Okay, fine. Next is Mohammed Shahbaz Ansari. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Sahwaz Ansari. I am from Madhupur district, Devar. I have done my matriculation from Mother International Academy and I have done my diploma from Al Kabir Polytechnic. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Dumka Engineering College. My hobby is playing cricket and listening music. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, nice introduction. Okay, fine. Next is Monit Kumar.
Good morning, sir. My name is Monit Kumar. I am from Gaya, Bihar. My branch is electrical engineering. My hobby is to playing football.
Okay, fine. Next is Ritu Raj.
Good morning, sir. I am Rituraj. I am from Godda district and I completed my diploma from government engineering Government Polytechnic Dumka, and I am currently pursuing engineering from Dumka Engineering College. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Next. Sanjay Kumar Chauhan. Sanjay Kumar Chauhan, please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Sanjay Kumar Chauhan. I am from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and my hobby is to playing volleyball.
Next is Sneha. Please introduce yourself. Sneha, please introduce yourself. Class, this is a reminder that if you will not respond within 10 seconds, you will be marked absent for the class. Okay? Okay, fine. Next, Saurav Kumar. Saurav Kumar, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Saurabh Kumar from Godda, Jharkhand. I am electrical engineer. My hobby is bike riding.
Okay, fine, fine. So which bike do you ride the most? Saurav Kumar?
Yes, sir. Again, sir.
Which bike you ride the most? You like the most?
All bikes, sir. Not any.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Thank you so much. Next is Subhashish Mishra. Subhashish Mishra, please.
Good morning, sir. I am Subhashish Mishra from Godda, Jharkhand. And I have passed my diploma from Pako Polytechnic, Pako. My hobby is to play cricket.
Okay, thank you so much. Next is Shushma Kumari.
Good morning, sir. My name is Susma Kumari, and I am from and I have completed my diploma from.
Okay, very good. Very good. Thank you, Sushma. Next is Sweetie Kumari Laura. Just introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir, and my friends. Myself, Sweetie. I'm from Chaivasa, Jharkhand, and my hobby is dancing, singing, and yoga.
Okay, okay, very good.
Thank you.
So, yeah. Anybody more is left to introduce himself or herself? Please unmute yourself and introduce yourself. So out of 55 students, only 18 students are here. What about rest of the students? Who is the CR of this batch? Please unmute yourself. So some of you are busy in the seminar, right? So that also 10 to 12 students are present. What about the rest?
Not even 18, not even 18. Two of us, you and I are the two. Rest of 16 people have already joined.
So please tell others that from next class, if they are not present throughout the class, I will be checking the participants throughout the class. If they are not present, they will be marked absent. And I will mark you on the basis of your attendance. Means there will be some part of your marks and attendance also. Be very clear. Okay, and I will show you the results also. The attendance marks also I will show you, so that you can get a clear idea. So don't take my class lightly. Please join. It's for your good only. Because after you pass out from this college, you will be faced with many interviews where they will check your English proficiency. Okay. And please don't think that if you are not fluent in English, you will not do the class. In fact, this class is more for the persons who are not fluent in English. Okay. So please come forward and interact. And basically, this will be an interaction session. After, I think, Pooja, you will be called offline. So after that, we will have this class will be more of an interaction session. Okay, where I will give you one topic, you will discuss among yourself, or I will give you something to write. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so please write down the homework for the next class. In the next class, you have to write uh, a paragraph within 200 words about what are the impacts of lockdown on your studies. Please write down homework. What are the impacts? What are the impacts of your what are the impacts of lockdown on your studies? It can be, you have to either say the positive side or the negative side, not the both side. Okay, within 200 words. You will write it and you will send it. I will share the mail ID. And please note that I have a software. Please wait. I will take your assignments in Google Classroom. Yes, Google Classroom. And please note that I have a software which can detect how much you have copied and where you have copied. I can also show you for one example. So, না স্যার আমার তো না না কিন্তু আমি এখন ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে sorry for the interruption. I have a software which can detect from where you have copied and how much you have copied. Okay, so there will be again a marks on the homework. And another thing, the participants, I mean the students, those who are present in this class, only those homework will be entertained. If you are not present for a particular class, your homework will not be considered for the next class. Is it clear? Please respond someone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please make sure that you don't copy from anyone. I will not assess you based on how good English you write. I will assess you how much you have tried, because you will come for offline mode. So I will know what is your fluency in English. Okay, so I will not check whether you have written a good English or not. I will check that you have improved or not. Your marks will be on improvement. Okay, so please write on your own whatever you can write on your own. I will check it and I will assess your homework. And this is, please keep it in mind that this will be a continuous process. I don't know whether there will be a exam or not, maybe a final exam we will have, but the majority of the marks will depend on your homework. Okay. And those participants or those students who have attended this meeting today, only their homework I will entertain for the next class. Other homework they will get 0 for this class. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Hello, students.
Hello, students.
Google Classroom link. The Google Classroom link will be shared to all of you. It will be made and shared to all of you, just like it was done in the last semester. Number one, and number two, I told you in the first or second class of the Power System 1 in the last semester that when you are asked something, you are supposed to respond. You are not following that. Remember this from the next time. When you are asked something, you are supposed to respond. It's a classroom. It's not a lecture session. I will talk or sir will talk. You will just listen or sleep. Keep it in your mind. You have been told this. Don't forget. It doesn't change in every semester. If you have any doubt or any question, you may ask, or else the class is over as of now.
Okay. Thank you, class. That's all for today. You may leave the group. Thank you.